Hi everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China, and our company specialized in commercial diesel parts. And today I'm very glad to introduce you our hard sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, let's see the outside packaging. This kind of blue VCI roast bag, and here this is the label. And the first line is our Shumatt brand, and the product code is F00RJ01683. Actually, for this kind of logo, label, packages, etc., all we can support a customized service. And now let's check the inside. In the inside of it, transparent bottles can be better prevent some hurt during the translations. And in the inside of it, there has the oil paper to wrap it up. And each product which might supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers feel not satisfied with the quality, return or exchange, all is okay. And for this one, the plug cable inject number is 04451200080 and 04451200268. And for this one, you can see the valve cap there with the coating figures, and this is the valve rod. Actually, each product we supply with 6 months warranty time, and if you want to install this kind of valve assembly, it's better to make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly of the injector body. So much for this one. Actually, if you want to know more, remember leave the comments to us, and or you can contact us. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Bye.